Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making chicken nuggets.
You'll need 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, about 4 cups of oil for frying, 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs divided, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, ½ cup of feta cheese, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 egg. Start by preparing the chicken. Place the chicken in a food processor. If your food processor isn't powerful enough, I recommend using a meat grinder to avoid overloading and potentially damaging the appliance. Add the ketchup, mustard, feta cheese, egg, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and ½ cup of the breadcrumbs. Mix everything well in the food processor until it forms a smooth paste, similar to pâté. This is how it should look. Pour about 4 cups of oil into a skillet, or adjust based on the size of your skillet to achieve approximately 2 inches of oil depth. Heat the oil to the right temperature. I use an ice cream scoop, but you can use a regular spoon. Shape the mixture into nuggets, roll them in the remaining 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and place them into the hot oil. Repeat the process until the skillet is filled. Fry the nuggets for about 5 minutes, ensuring the temperature doesn't get too high to prevent the outside from burning, while the inside stays raw. Once the nuggets are golden brown, remove them and transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Repeat until all nuggets are fried. The chicken nuggets are now ready. Serve with ketchup or hot sauce and enjoy.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.